Welcome back to Tech Region, the channel where we discuss about the modern technology in the world. Today we shall discuss about the modern fighter jet F-36. The F-36 is one of the most advanced combat aircraft developed in recent years, representing a new generation of fighters that combine firepower, intelligence, and cutting-edge technology. When we discuss the F-36, we are not merely talking about an aircraft, we are describing an integrated combat system designed to dominate modern aerial and multi-domain operations. Its designers aim to create a multi-role platform capable of air superiority, precision ground attack, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, and electronic warfare, all while minimizing risk to the pilot and maximizing mission effectiveness. A defining characteristic of the F-36 is its advanced stealth architecture. The airframe employs radar-absorbing materials and signature-reducing shaping that minimize radar cross-section and thermal emissions, allowing the jet to penetrate heavily defended airspace with a much lower probability of detection. This stealth capability confers a strategic advantage in the modern battlespace, where sensor networks and integrated air defenses increasingly shape operational outcomes. Stealth is paired with active signature management, making the F-36 a hard target across multiple detection modalities. Propulsion is another area where the F-36 excels. Twin high-thrust turbofan engines provide exceptional speed, sustained supersonic dash capability, and excellent fuel efficiency for long-range strike missions. The propulsion system incorporates adaptive cycle concepts and thrust vectoring technology to balance fuel economy, high-speed performance, and extreme maneuverability. As a result, the F-36 can achieve high-altitude performance beyond many legacy platforms while still offering agile handling in close-in engagements. The combination of endurance, speed, and agility enables it to perform deep penetration strikes and rapid reaction missions with equal confidence. The avionics suite aboard the F-36 represents a major leap forward. A sensor-fused architecture combines data from AESA radar, distributed infrared search and track arrays, electronic support measures, and passive electro-optical sensors into a unified battlespace picture. Pilots interact with this data through advanced helmet-mounted displays and augmented reality HUDs that project tactical overlays and threat cues directly into the pilot's field of view. An onboard AI co-pilot assist analyzes streams of sensor input in real time, prioritizes threats, and suggests maneuvers or engagement sequences, drastically reducing pilot workload during high-intensity operations. Network-centric warfare is at the heart of the F-36 concept. Secure, low-latency data links allow the jet to share sensor feeds, targeting data, and mission updates with other aircraft, unmanned systems, and ground and naval forces. This connectivity enables collaborative engagements where the F-36 can act as a sensor node, shooter, or airborne command center. Integration with unmanned aerial vehicles is particularly notable. The F-36 can control swarms of drones for reconnaissance, electronic attack, or precision targeting, extending its reach and providing standoff capabilities that protect both the platform and friendly forces. Weapons integration on the F-36 emphasizes flexibility and survivability. Internal weapon bays preserve stealth while carrying air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-ship munitions. When greater payload capacity is required, external pylons can be used with mission-adaptive ordnance packages. Advanced targeting pods and standoff munitions allow the F-36 to conduct precision strikes from outside dents. Air defense envelopes. In contested environments, electronic warfare systems and expendable decoys increase the probability of mission success while limiting exposure to hostile fire. Survivability combines active and passive measures. Signature management and low observability are complemented by electronic attack capabilities that jam or spoof hostile radars and communications. Defensive aid suites detect incoming missiles and autonomously deploy countermeasures such as chaff, flares, and directed energy countermeasures where available. Redundancy in critical systems and an advanced flight control architecture increase the aircraft's ability to sustain damage and return safely to base. Crew safety and mission resilience were central design priorities. Maintenance and life cycle support have been engineered into the F-36's design philosophy. Open architecture software, modular avionics, and health management sensors permit rapid upgrades and predictive maintenance. Ground crews can diagnose issues faster, and software-defined capabilities mean avionics and mission systems can evolve through regular updates rather than hardware overhauls, keeping the platform relevant across decades of service. This approach reduces lifecycle costs and accelerates the introduction of new capabilities as threats evolve. Operationally, the F-36 changes how commanders plan and execute missions. Its ability to gather and fuse information from multiple spectrums, radar, infrared, and signals intelligence, produces superior situational awareness. That awareness can be shared across a strike package, allowing allied platforms to act on the most timely and accurate intelligence. Whether tasked with suppressing enemy air defenses, gaining air superiority, or conducting precision maritime strikes, the F-36 is designed to operate as the linchpin of complex, multi-domain operations. There are, of course, strategic and ethical considerations surrounding platforms of this caliber. The fusion of autonomy, long-range strike, and stealth raises questions about escalation, rules of engagement, and the need for robust oversight when AI systems influence lethal decisions. Engineers and military planners continue to debate the right balance between automation and human control, ensuring that humans remain responsible for critical use of force decisions while still benefiting from AI's analytical advantages. In summary, the F-36 is not simply a new fighter jet, it is a reflection of the future of air power, an intelligent, connected, and flexible platform built to operate in a highly contested environment. Its strengths lie in stealth, propulsion, sensor fusion, networked operations, and a modular design that supports continuous evolution. For viewers of Tech Region, the F-36 illustrates how rapid advances in aerospace engineering, artificial intelligence, and systems integration are redefining what air power looks like in the coming decades: faster, smarter, and more interconnected, and why investing in responsible development and clear policy will determine how these capabilities shape global security. Stay informed and curious. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.